Hello friends, in this tutorial of Audacity, we will learn what is sample rate and how it affects our sound. I have this file, let's play it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little.
In this file, its sample rate is 44,100 Hertz. If I want to change the sample rate, I will just click on this drop down, go to the rate and change its rate from 8000 till extreme 384,000 or I can customize. So let's see what will be the effect if I change the rate to 16,000 Hertz. Let's play it. Now the sound is changed because of the change in the rate. Let's try another option, and now I'm going to make it 48,000 hertz. Let's play and see what happened.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Let's try another one. Now it sounds like chipmunk, but if we want that the sample rate is changed but our sound will not be affected, for that go to tracks, resample, and when you change the sample rate through tracks menu, the sound will not be affected. You can see the difference. Let me choose the same 96000 hertz, press OK, and let's play it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
So you can see the difference. If I change the rate from this drop down menu, the voice becomes like a chipmunk voice. But if we change the sample rate from tracks menu, resample, and then from this drop down, so it will not be sound as chipmunk. The rate is changed, but the sound quality is better. Let's choose 16,000 hertz and let's see.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
That's all from this tutorial today. In the next video, we will learn overdub a sound clip to include a voice over. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.